Hello guys, and welcome to my another channel. Today we're gonna be doing today we're today we're gonna be doing a Haribo Dinosaurs. We're doing a mukbang feast. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang feast with you. Today we're gonna be doing a Haribo Dinosaurs. Kids and grown-ups love it, so the happy world of Haribo. The happy world of Haribo. They got different kinds of flavors. Banana, strawberry, mango, melon, mandarin, and melon, blackcurrant, and strawberry. Okay, let's get this thing started. Yep, that's pretty good. Let's open it up. Alright. You can see the camera right over there. Alright, look at the shapes like dinosaurs. And the dinosaur. Got that. I forgot the name. Got that too. Got that. Oh, that's a T-Rex right over there. That's T-Rex. I'm gonna try them all. Let's try it. That's pretty good. Oh, this one, that's the one. Oh, you can see the camera, it's too big. But anyways, so you can see the camera because it's too big. You can't see any camera. Alright, let's do a mukbang feast. Let's get started. Start out with blackcurrant and strawberry. It's pretty good. Let's start off with this one. What's this flavor? Mango, melon, and melon. And melon. That's pretty good. Let's try this one. Banana strawberry. That's pretty good. I'm gonna check the picture of this, see. It's in it on my YouTube. Let's see. That's the one. It tastes like strawberry, but it tastes like banana. Man. Tastes like banana. The dinosaurs, I forgot their names. Try this one. I forgot the dinosaur's name. And let's try this one. Triceratops? I don't know. I forgot his name. T-Rex. Try that one. Oh look, this is the same. And then try, oops, try this one.